my dear professors and staff of SBEP, distinguished alumni, my batchmates, our families, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's really too bad that our class president, the OTC Undersecretary, Len Bautista, is not here today to join us. So I'm taking the honor of responding on behalf of SBEP 09 class. What is education? Well, that's how I started my response from the class when I was in grade school. But today I still think it's very relevant. So I will start with that again and say, what is education to us, SBEP 09 class? So this one I have to read this. It's a long one. Education is what we invest on in times of global financial crisis. Hoping, but by the time we graduate, the economy is in its upswing, where we can now use what we've learned in microeconomics to improve productivity in our companies, and hope that the government knows their macroeconomics so they can help our companies instead of doing the easy way out, which is increase our taxes and tariffs. So we all invested time and effort, in some cases with our own money, to join the Strategic Business Economics program. So we had various reasons. And some of us were forced by our boss. So those, if that's your case, please raise your right foot. Some of us were scholars. Okay, you can still raise your right foot if you want. Some simply had nothing to do with their time and money. Right? I know a few cases, but I'm not going to name names. And there were also some, like me, I guess you can raise your right hand now. Someone like me who really hunger for knowledge. So, I guess that's most of us, right? So it was also July last year when we started as strangers. So we were strangers for the first 2 months until we went to our out-of-town class in Clark and elected our officers. It is probably at the time that we decided that whatever our reason is for being here, we will have fun and learn at the same time. We probably had more of the fun stuff, but we did a lot of learning too. One of the best things we gained from the class is that now we can talk intelligently with our professors, but only with our professors. Because they made sure that we can communicate with each other, but not the rest of the world because of the terminologies. And I can show you some cases in point. Let's take a look at the simple law of supply and demand. They made it so complicated. They started by telling us that these are straight lines, are changing the slope and make them slide from side to side. And they call it shift left or shift right. No, it doesn't mean joining the Communist Party or the Magdalo group. So for the uninitiated in economics, I feel sorry for you. You'll never understand this. That's why we can discuss these things with you. We can only talk to our professors and maybe some folks at NEDA. After that,
what happened? Why should
they told us that these are really not straight lines, but it's actually a curve, and the shape is U. It's U-shape. So it's no wonder we needed 11 months to go through this course. Well, kidding aside, we've learned a lot. We've learned how to use Excel to compute net present value and IRR. You're laughing. I remember someone from our class complaining, why does he have to do all this when he can ask his CFO to do this thing for him, right? But of course, our professors responded by saying that the intent is for us, these SBEP 09 students, to have an overview of what our staff are doing, so that we don't have to pretend that we know. So we really know. Right? So when our staff says, "Sir, we didn't push through with our project because the IRR is below our hurdle rate," we know what that means, right, guys? So maybe we can ask again, and maybe we can pretend deeper this time, right? And ask, "Oh, can you give me the assumptions? I want to make sure you got the cash flows correctly." And by the way, is that economic IRR or financial IRR? So we have a lot of stories like this, and I'm sure anecdotes and stories like this, and we've learned a lot and had fun at the same time. It was really a pleasant experience for all of us. And on behalf of my classmates, I would like to thank our professors for the wisdom and knowledge that they have passed on to us. Thank you to the SBEP staff who has been very patient with us.
We can fix it
Even to the students who actually taught us hands-on on how to do the regression analysis on the computer. So we look forward to using our newly acquired set of skills on our companies. While, of course, our company stakeholders pray to God that we know what we are doing and hope that it's going to help our companies. So, on behalf of SBEP 09 class, thank you very much.